No! No! Who am I? You're you. Oh, good. For a second there, I thought you were me. Yeah, a lot of people make the mistake. So what now? I'll tell you what now. I'm from the future. So you are me. Yes, I'm you. From the future. You expect me to believe that? I've known you for all of 5 seconds and you've already lied to me. There's no time. I have something important to tell you. So tell me already and get out of my basement. I got laundry here. The laundry can wait. Your life is at stake. Says the guy who kicked my table over. Listen, I expect you to put that back when you leave. Will you? I had that table just the way I liked it. Will you? Fucking plastic bottles all over the place now? Will you shut the fuck up? I'm not picking those bottles up. Remember that sandwich you ate? No. The sandwich you just ate. Oh yeah. Yeah, right. I know what you mean. That sandwich is gonna ruin your life. And how do you know this? Because I'm from the future! 20 minutes in the future. What? That sandwich. 20 minutes? That's bullshit! It's bull fact! Then why'd your hair slick back like that? Where'd that fucking shirt come from? What's more important? My shirt or your life? Well, the shirt thing does bother me. Nevertheless, a lot can happen in 20 minutes. Once you eat that fucking sandwich, your life is gonna change forever. Right now, that sandwich is working its way through your system. And it's packing enough TNT to blow your ass wide open. So, whatever you do, you mean... You're gonna have a diarrhea attack so massive, it's gonna change the course of your entire life. It's going to be so brutal, that's gonna break your mind in half. In fact, it'll change your life so profoundly that you'll have to build a time machine out of a microwave and vacuum cleaner parts just to come back to tell yourself that it's gonna happen.
And all this in the course of like 5 minutes?
Yeah. What the fuck? Why don't you travel further back in time and worry before I ate the goddamn sandwich? Because the time machine only goes back 20 minutes. This is so fucking stupid. Why would you even bother coming back at all when you had no way of stopping me in the first place? Because if I had stopped you, you wouldn't have had that life-altering shit. And then you wouldn't have built the time machine to come back to warn yourself in the first place. But you never warned me at all, you fucking prick. Your stupid bullshit time machine only goes back 20 fucking minutes. You're right. I told him.